Question 8 is 3 marks. This is the non-calculator. It's Cambridge. So the question says someone plays a game in which she can win, lose, or draw. The table shows the probability of her winning or losing. Complete the table. That's the first part. To complete this table, we know she will just win, lose, or draw. Nothing else. She can't do anything else. So these three, they should add up to one whole because the sum of probabilities make one whole, right? So the first thing you do is you add 0.3 plus 0.25. Just add a 0 here to make it easier. Then this is 5, 5, 0. Then 0.55 add what? Makes one whole. There is no calculator here. Then you can do 1.00 minus 0.55, and then you borrow 1 from here. So this is 0, this becomes 10, then we borrow 1, this becomes 9, and this becomes 10. And then 10 minus 5 is 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 0.0. This is one way to do it, and it's a lot. What I recommend is think of it like 100 minus 55. That's easier. 100 minus 50 is 50. 100 minus 55 is 45. So it's 0.45. Now you got 2 marks for this part. The first part, completing the table, is 2 marks. Now let's look at the next part. The next part says this girl plays 120 times. Work out the expected number of wins. Let's go back and we see wins is 0.3. So how many times she will win is just 120 times the probability of winning, which is 0.3. And again, this is non-calculator. This 0 will cancel this point. So you will end up by 12 times 3. So the games she will win will be around 36 games. How was this question? This part is 1 mark. So it's total of 3 marks. Now let's go to question 9. Question 9 look